Action Takers, welcome in another video. Today we are going to discuss about the 7 ways of how to grow your Instagram audience. So if you like this kind of videos, just like this video, subscribe this channel and make sure you have turned on the post notification bell. Because from now I will start posting 3 videos in a week. So don't miss any. So let's start this video. So to grow your Instagram, you need to make sure of 2 things. The first thing is to get a huge traffic on your page which can see your page, and second thing is to turn that traffic into your followers. So how to do this? So I'm going to give you 7 rapid fire tips. So be ready. So the first tip is to optimize your username and your bio. Make sure that your username and your bio are having keywords related to your niche, and make sure to avoid any unnecessary emoji, words or anything. Make sure that your bio is describing that who you are, what you do, how you help your clients, and what is your aim. Next is to optimize your content to rank on Explore page. So how to do that? Go in your insights and check out that which content is getting better results in last 30 days and create contents by replicating it. Make sure that you are creating content similar to it, and also make sure that you are focusing on the quality of content and the content you are giving is valuable or not. The more values you give, the more engaging content you will make, the better results and more chances you will get that your content will rank on the Explore page. Our next tip is to engage in the chats of big pages of your niche. Our next tip is to conduct live sessions with big pages. Our next tip is to make sure that you get your comments pinned on big pages comment section to get more visibility. Another tip is to send your contents which are best performing to curation pages to get traffic from there. And a final tip is to engage with the comments in the comment section of big pages. That's how you can get a huge traffic and get huge conversion into followers for your page. So if you like this video, just like it, subscribe it, and make sure you have turned on the post notification. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram as Marketing Alexander. Wish you all a great day ahead.